No, Levan, do it again.
I'm evil. Shit. It's gonna bite your foot. What was that?
Bear dropped my hand.
No, bro. Sometimes the wet just drops on my hand.
Why am I the only person that's doing this?
Alright, you got do your thing.
It's biting my shoe, man. It's gonna ruin it.
Bro, I can't see. Can you like aim it a little higher? Yeah, there we go. Vicious beast. This one's nice.
This one's nice and quiet.
This one's
It's
nice.
got
He
big eyes,
whistles for us. This one's just freaking evil. He always tries to bite, so we put our foot. See what he's trying to do? He's trying to bite him. Even do your foot again. That was
Look, it's trying to put his mouth through.
Why? To bite you?
Look, mate, just
Why you hiding from
come
evil
here, you fat bird.
Evil one.
Bro, he's got a little crib in there. He's formed a little crib. Levan, just put your foot there.
Why? Again?
Yeah.
And you have your light on.
Just do it, Levan.
Goodness sakes. Fine.
Let me get closer. Do it again.
Move it the other way, man. You're blocking us. Oh.
Beast.
That bird is too much. Say cheese. Whistle. I don't think he wants to whistle. Whistle for me and stop doing it like that, stupid bird. He just stares at the camera. Let's take the piss out of this bird. Alright, that's it.